Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to test the jet pump in a hotspot spa. If you press the jet pump button and nothing happens or it makes a buzzing sound, you could have a bad GFCI breaker, a bad jet pump, a bad fuse, or even a bad board. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: multimeter, Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. Step 1. Remove the equipment door and control box lid. Step 2. Turn your multimeter to AC volts. Make sure it has a fresh battery. Step 3. Check the incoming voltage on the terminal block. You should have 115 to 120 volts between neutral and L1 or 230 to 240 volts between L1 and L2 if the spa is wired for 230 volts. If the voltage is less than 110 for 115 volt spas or less than 220 for 230 volt spas, it means you have a low voltage issue. It could be a bad GFCI breaker. Call an electrician to have the breaker tested. If the voltage is good, move on to the next step. Step 4. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 5. Disconnect the red low-speed jet pump wire from J20 Jet 1 low black. Step 6. Disconnect the white neutral jet pump wire from J23 white. Step 7. Connect power to the spa. Step 8. Press the jet button once to turn on the low-speed jets. Step 9. Place one lead on J20 and the other lead on J23. You should get a reading of 115 to 120 volts on your multimeter or 230 to 240 volts if your spa is wired for 230. If you have good voltage going to the jet pump but it's still not working or it's making a buzzing sound, it means you have a bad jet pump. Step 10. If you have no voltage between J20 and J23, disconnect the power and check the jet pump 1 fuse for continuity. If the fuse is bad, replace the fuse with the jet pump 2 fuse. Step 11. Reconnect power and press the jets button once. If the fuse is good but you still have no voltage going to the jet pump, it means you have a bad board. You must replace the 76840 hot control box. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.